Hi everybody, CannaBeard Grows here. Today we're going to add a new tool to my YouTuber arsenal. We're going to add an action camera, a sports cam, like a GoPro style camera. Much cheaper than a GoPro, of course. How do we open this thing here? Here we go. I've used these in the past. They're pretty darn good cameras. Hello. This one here is sort of their newest model, I do believe. Yeah, it's one of their newer models. Maybe not their newest, but one of the newer ones at any rate. It's up to date, as it were. Let's see what's in the box. Ooh, quite a bit of stuff in here, actually. Well, right off the bat, we got your camera in protective dilly off there, and there's one on the back too. There we go. Let's get that off too. There we go. So this is a waterproof casing of some sort here. Oh yeah, there we go. That's how you open it. There we go. It's got a little lock mechanism so you don't accidentally open it by accident there. So that's good. There we go. We got the camera itself. We've got, like, I'm not going to take them all out of the package here, but we got lots of friggin' mounts and stuff. It looks like a remote thing that you can strap. We got a bar mount, more mounts, an actual non-waterproof frame mount. Looks like another waterproof backing in there. We got some zap straps. We got some strapping. We got a charge cord. Those like 3M adhesive deals to strap it onto some stuff. Some more things for mounting hardware. A spare battery cover. That's a pretty good idea because I actually have broken one in the past. So like I said, some zap straps. More zap straps, or more strapping. Your guide. There's a nice no-lint cloth there. And your little key dilly. For opening up the battery thing. Oh, and speaking of batteries, it looks like there's 2 batteries here. That's pretty awesome. There's 2 of them. Now this one doesn't come with a direct charge like cable or box or anything, but you can charge it. You have to take it out of this waterproof mechanism here. Let me take it out here for a second and I'll show you. So once you put the battery in the bottom here, and once the battery's in, you can use these cables to charge it. Oh, we got another little piece of plastic there. And then another one on the back. There we go. So shiny. But yeah, these are great little cameras. They're super lightweight. You can strap them to just about anything. I'm going to be using these for sort of like first-person view cameras. I'm going to be strapping this probably to my forehead or a hat or something like that. And when I'm working in the garden and stuff like that, so you can see kind of what I can see. And that's sort of the battle plan for these things right here. So right on. If you're interested in checking out one of these new APEMAN cameras, they're pretty darn good for most things that you might need one of these for. I'll leave a link below if you want to check them out on Amazon or whatever, because that's where I got mine from. Yeah. Anyway, this will be some more interesting footage in the future for the channel. So right on. Stay tuned. Subscribe to CannaBeard Grows. Share it with all your friends. Keep growing strong, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next episode. Have a good one, everybody.